Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, connect your controller with a reliable USB cable or via Bluetooth pairing. Next, open Steam Big Picture and enable Steam input for Call of Duty. If using DualShock or Switch Pro, install DS4 Windows and enable X input emulation to match Xbox bindings. Confirm Windows shows the device as an X input controller in Control Panel. Finally, set the controller polling rate to 125 Hz in your driver or utility app for lower input latency. Open Modern Warfare 3 settings and navigate to controller options to begin tuning. Start with horizontal and vertical sensitivity around 4 to 6 for predictable aim. Set the ADS sensitivity multiplier to 0. 85 for smoother scope tracking at longer ranges. Adjust your stick dead zone between 0, 7 and 0. 15 depending on stick wear and drift. Choose a button layout like tactical and remap crouch to a bumper for improved mobility without sacrificing aim. Disable controller vibration in-game and in driver utilities to prevent tiny aim perturbations. If your controller supports gyro, enable it in DS4 Windows or Steam for micro adjustments while aiming. Update the controller firmware and Windows drivers regularly to ensure compatibility and stability. Export your Steam controller config once you finalize bindings and sensitivity to keep a backup. Finally, keep your USB cable short and avoid USB hubs to minimize latency and connection dropout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.